Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now, let's say I want to delete this folder here by right clicking it and pressing delete, and it's saying this action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program. As I'm recording, what we'd need to do is come down to the start menu here, right click and select run, and type out this here, resmon.exe, then press enter. Once the resource manager loads, press the CPU here, and now we want to search out for that folder, which was video. May take some time, and here you can see this is the folder and the reason it's being used here, OBS, as I'm recording on OBS here. That's why we can't delete the folder. This is just an example. Yours could be on the desktop, anywhere. Just search for the folder here, find it in the bottom list here, right click it and then select end process. Then when you try and delete that folder, it will be able to carry out the task and you will not get that error code. So hopefully, if you ever get the error code, this action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program, this should fix it for you. So hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.